video I will tell you how to upgrade your MikroTik RouterOS version in 2 minutes. Okay, so for upgrading our MikroTik router, you just need to go to the MikroTik router. So I'm just logging on my MikroTik router. I'm just clicking login the IP and connect. So here is the our MikroTik router. So I just tell you the how to upgrade MikroTik iOS version in 2 minutes. So just go to the system and go to the package, and you see checked. Here is the tab is check for the update. You just click check or update. So the install version is 7.21.3 is the install version, and latest version is 7.21.3. Okay, so you just download and install. So I'm just going to the download and install. So it start downloading. It's 16 or 20 minute downloading percentage downloading. So in this case, this download, and once it is completed, it's automatically rebooted. So see this, its router is automatically rebooted, and reconnect again once it's up. See this. So once it's up, it's showing there is no error connection, and router is updated from the new version, latest version as per the system. So now go to the check for checking the version is installed or not. So you just go to the again on the system and package, and see this, the current version is 7.21.3, which is I already told you before. So like this, here is check the update. Here is there is no latest update, system is already updated. So it's a simple and easy to update your MikroTik RouterOS. Thank you for watching, and request you to please follow our channel and like or subscribe, so we can make more video for your help. Thank you so much.